All right, everyone, welcome to this week's session of Wi-Fi Wednesdays. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we come on live every single week on Wednesdays to recap everything that is new and exciting in the world of Wi-Fi marketing. Now, as I mentioned to everyone, I am coming to you live this week from Europe, and it is about 7 hours ahead, so it is actually 10:06 p.m. local time for me right now, but it is still 3 p.m. Eastern. So I'm going to show you just a couple things that we've been working on, some new things. It's going to be a pretty short session, but I will leave some time for Q&A. And then when I return back to my office next week, I can go through all of the new stuff in detail. So those who may have missed it, we recently launched a brand new corporate website. So it's mywifinetworks.com. And the reason I'm showing this to you is because I want you to get really excited about everything that's really happening with our platform and all the initiatives that we have. And I highly encourage you, if you're not super familiar with what we have, to go to mywifinetworks.com and take a look, because every single one of these buttons actually blows up marketing automation, Wi-Fi analytics, customer dashboards. All of these sections and almost nearly everything very shortly is going to be totally redesigned and totally unique, and in my opinion, the best in the marketplace. So, for example, if you want to learn more about the Capture Portal Editor or the splash page editor, go to this link. Learn about it yourself. Obviously, if you're a customer and you're a reseller, you want to learn exactly how we sell it. So obviously go through this page, see exactly how we position it. And more importantly, feel free to take these graphics. As you can see, that's a really nice hero graphic that you can take. Just right click, save image or copy image and bring it right into your presentation. Go through all of our benefits. Look at kind of the way that we sell this Capture Portal login editor, for example. You can also talk about our devices, everything here. Go through our website in detail, check it out. And not only that, we also have created animated GIFs for every single section. And these are not only small over here, but for example, if I go over here and I go copy image address, or actually even better, open image in new tab, you're going to see this image is actually pretty large, and you can take it, you can put this right inside your PowerPoint presentation, and it's an animated GIF. So if somebody says, hey, I want you to give me a presentation about branding and I want to learn exactly the different layout options, you don't have to worry about a presentation. You don't have to worry about creating content. Just take this animated GIF, put it on your phone, put it on your iPad, put it on a PowerPoint, as I mentioned, put it in a Google presentation, whatever you want. It's an animated GIF. It's just an image. So you can take it and use it. We have dozens of these images now available on our website. So you can go here, right click, save as. And as soon as I get back to the office as well, I'm going to be saving all of these. So I'll just do a batch save of all the animated GIFs we have on our website, and I'll throw it into the Google Drive so that you guys can go access that and copy it to your own Google folder pretty easily. Okay, so we just want to make sure you guys know about this because it's something that we worked really hard on. And in my opinion, it really covers every single feature that we have. And in many cases, we have a lot of stuff that our competition does not. So if you're selling against Purple Wi-Fi, XenaReach, Yelp, you name it, take a look at our website now, because you'll notice that anything that they claim or they do, we have, and actually we have a lot more in many cases than they do combined. So go through here, check it out, and also let me know what you think. If you have any opinions or questions or feedback or whatever, just let us know. But on last week's session, or 2 weeks ago, actually, I shared exactly how to make these cool shots. So there's some cool tools that we use, or I use, to whip these up really quick. And I shared that in the previous session. Just take a look for any kind of screenshot software or layout software. There's some good stuff for Mac and PC, and even some online. Placeit, I think, is one, .net. And they also recently changed over their pricing plans. So it makes it really easy to create some really, really wicked images. But check out all this content, guys. This is all brand new, and this is stuff that you can use directly. Okay, so that's that. And also, I want to announce that I did a quick share in the Facebook group, but we recently changed big thing in the platform. So before, this section over here used to be called integrations, right? Integrations is where you add your social login integrations like Facebook, Twitter, etc. We changed that to apps because it's a little bit more indicative of what the functionality is. So this allows you to connect your own apps, so third-party apps. It's all been redesigned, and it's a really streamlined interface. So click Add New Apps. We actually have organized this into some main categories. Okay, so we have social apps, autoresponders, email services, CRM, loyalty, payment gateways, text, SMS, and others. So social apps, for example, I have all these listed over here. If I clicked on Facebook, really super simple and easy to really go in here and add all of my integrations. So here for ActiveCampaign, app name, API key, and URL. And just to mention as well, for every single one of these integrations, we're going to be adding a little help button to take you there automatically. But in the meantime, we also redesigned our entire support desk and knowledge base. It was changed to more of a support center, to more of a help and learning center. So this now has a ton of content, a ton of really good step-by-step instructions. It has live status. It has a list of everything that's new in our dashboard. You can click over here, what's new, and get a list of everything that we're working on, everything that we've launched. We have released it right over here. So as you can see, we have our new ideas portal. We have the client onboarding widget, and all these link directly to, let's say you wanted to learn more about the widget, you click on that. It brings you also to our new support desk. All redesigned. Again, we work really hard to make sure you guys have the most relevant stuff, the most updated content to sell. And this is an example of the live preview onboarding widget. Give me a sec, because I am on a slow connection right now, but it does load the actual widget inside an iframe. So this is the CRM widget demo that a lot of you have inside your dashboards. You need to have a white label for this to work, which most of you guys already do. But here, really easily, I can, for example, I can type in Hilton. Let's say I want to do something for Hilton Hotels. And I can see over here, so the Hilton Hotels and Resorts. This is just by me typing in my Facebook page. And again, this over here, this whole iframe allows you to really put it into your own website. So this whole thing over here, you can see between from right here down is an iframe. So it is all customizable. I should mention as well, I'll show you this in a sec. We also gave you the ability to customize everything here. So for example, you have the login page, login, success page, and the redirect page, which is automatically generated. But for example, like for the login and success, if I wanted to change anything like that, or if I wanted to, when I click on proceed, it brings me here. Do you have an existing wireless network hardware? Do you have existing wireless network hardware? Now, a lot of you said, hey, I want to change that content. I want to change this question. I actually don't even want a question. We had a lot of requests. And we figured the best way to do this and accomplish this is to allow you to edit it. So if you click on Sales CRM and Widget on the left-hand side, so it's just right over here, Sales CRM and Widget, you can go over here. You're going to notice and let's just make sure I'm in the right section here. Yeah, you're going to notice over here we added the ability to edit this widget. Okay, so if I click on Edit Widget, it actually opens up that whole iframe embedded widget that I just showed you, and you can actually go in and edit any element of this. So give it a second. As you can see here, it's just loading. It's a small package, but I'm on a super slow connection here. So as it loads, you'll see that over here, your Gets Wi-Fi for your location. If you wanted to change this title, like, hey, let's get your Wi-Fi social, whatever, obviously whatever you want to write, you can update that. If when it comes to the question, so let's say I'm over here, I do Hilton again. So let's say this is my client who entered their Facebook page. It pulls it up. If you wanted to kind of change this, make it more stealth, you can actually change the colors. So here I'll make the background color black, and I will make the text color white. And this changes the whole look and feel. Let's say you have a black website, black background, whatever color background you have, you can edit this. And then every single one of these elements, I hope you guys can see this, you can go through and edit it all. So over here for login, I can edit that and say, you know what, I don't want login. I want step 1, users log in. Whatever I want, I can go change. And this is obviously for you guys to do on your own flows. And then when it comes to the question here, you can choose, do you want to have the question? It can be required, optional, or hidden. Hidden literally hides it. Optional will literally have the yes, no here, but also give them the ability to submit their information here. And then over here, you have next steps, name, email, and phone number, and then contact us over here. You can change this to, whatever you want. Let me just zoom out. Yeah, so if I wanted to change contact us, be like, let's get started, do that, and everything has changed. Now all I have to do when this is done is click on save, and I am good to go. Okay, so those are the new things that we launched. Again, I am overseas currently, so I am going to keep this pretty short, but I just wanted to let you guys know about all the new stuff. So our all new website, our all new support desk, our all new what's new stream. Go check it out. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are always here to help. And I see that there are some questions that have come in on the Q&A, so I will address those right now. Alan's asking about advertising. To be honest, Alan, ads only really work when you have a lot of volume. So unless you're getting, 1,000 to 5,000 unique visitors per day, ads don't really monetize as well as a flat monthly fee. So I just recommend, putting ads aside or not worrying about throwing in AdSense or whatever you're trying to do there. Really just focus on getting a strong recurring revenue from your client to build an email list. Ronnie, any questions about a WordPress website? I'd highly recommend checking out other channels. We don't necessarily support WordPress. Yeah, James, if you want to discuss a larger project, feel free to hit me up on our support chat. So just say, hey, Kevin, and write the same message there. And then my staff will send you a link where you can book a one-on-one quick 15-minute meeting with me. And then we can kind of discuss what you're looking to do there. And would actually would help as well if you could send me that in the same message. Just give me a little bit more information about what that major project is. And I'd love to discuss that with you. Question, where's the 30-day challenge? It is pinned inside the Facebook group. So if you go inside the Facebook group on Facebook, obviously, let me just show you here where it is. So it's facebook.com/groups/mywifi-members.com. So there it is. And if you go to this group, you're going to notice on the left-hand side, there's a link for videos. Click on that. And then that has all of the recorded videos. And I do have planned actually a ton of new content, a ton of new videos that are coming up for you very shortly. So inside over here, you're going to notice inside the video section, inside the Facebook group, just left videos. And it's also, I think it's under photos. If you try to access this from your computer here, you can see the one that I'm on live right now. And just keep scrolling. The actual 30-day Wi-Fi challenge is from November 1st. But there's a ton of content in here. If you want to, sit and watch, go through it. I actually have a lot of really good stuff that I go through within here. All right, guys. So that is that. I think I don't see any more questions that have come in. So if you guys have anything to let me know, obviously you can just send a message on our support desk. We are always there to help. And those who, obviously are doing new installs, those who are new to our system. We haven't had the best training. Last week, obviously, I was unable to get on the call. I was currently I was in transit, and now I'm currently still on vacation with my family. So I'm trying to unplug a little bit, and I will be back in the office rocking on Monday. So anything else I can help with, just send it to support, and our team will be happy to help. And until then, happy selling. Get out there and go crush it with social Wi-Fi. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care, everyone.